Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the circle to search on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, did you find something interesting on your screen? Don't screenshot it, just circle it. So the new circle to search feature lets you literally draw a circle around any object, word or image, and it instantly brings up Google results. So it works on photos, apps, text, even paused videos, and even cameras without switching any apps. So here, let me show you how to turn on this circle to search on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here I'll show you 3 ways to circle to search on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here I'll go ahead and open up Google Chrome and just say, for example, I'm looking at this image, maybe on a social media post, and I want to know what this is all about. As you can see, I already know this is a Skyline Tower. However, I can go ahead and long press on the home button. This will now open up Google and then I can go ahead and circle. Now Google will basically take this image and will basically look what it is. So this image shows the Skyline Tower in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. So as you can see, it has basically searched for that object. Now another way of searching is using your camera. So say for example, you're in a park or maybe you're in a department store and you're searching for maybe the item. Let's just say you're in a department store, you're looking for a shirt. You found the shirt and you want to know if you can find similar shirts or styles on somewhere else. So you can go ahead and open up your camera. You can go ahead and long press on the home button, and then you can go ahead and circle it. This will now take that image and will look on the internet what it is. Now the third way of searching using the circle to search is by searching on a movie. Say for example, you're watching a movie and say for example, you have this character. You want to know who this character is. So you can go ahead and stop this video, pause it for a while, press the home button, go ahead and circle this, and this will basically search the internet for that person. So this basically shows a KSI, a prominent British YouTuber, rapper, and boxer. So it's ultra fast way to get answers or info, no more typing or app switching needed. It's perfect for shopping, translation, or quick curiosity checks on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to use circle to search on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.